Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Today you will learn what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript, what are its uses and why it is so important to learn these basic three languages to build a basic website. So come on, let's start. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML is a language which helps to build the basic structure of a website, or you can say it is the backbone of any website, without which a website is not even visible. I'll tell you by an example what I mean. That is, you can see this code over here. This is a code to build a basic text box and a submit button. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like. Here in the Chrome browser, you see this is the page I've built. This is a very basic page. You just need 2 to 3 lines of code and that's it. And what this page does is, I'll tell you, if I write here anything like, hey, I am Aditi, okay, and hit submit, you'll see a dialog box comes over here and it shows the message I've just written over here. Okay, so for now you don't have to worry about the functionality of this, what it just did. I'll explain it to you in later videos. And here I'll tell you what HTML does. That is, you can see this text written over here, enter keyword, and this text box visible and the submit button. This is all because of the HTML coding that I have done. Okay. So basically HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I'll just write that for you over here. HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so the key point here is markup. So what is markup? So basically HTML is such a language which basically marks up text. Okay, like suppose this one, this is a text, submit. It marks up this text around some tags. Suppose button is a tag. This is also a tag. This is called opening tag and this is called closing tag. So it basically marks up a text around some tags which helps the browser like Chrome, this one, Chrome browser, to identify or portray the text in a specific way. Suppose if I write a text inside this button, it will show this button text in a form of a button. But if I write something like this, suppose P is also a tag. Okay, if I write P and something I write over here like hey, this is a paragraph, and save, you will see over here it shows like this, a plain text, okay, with no button sign. You cannot click over here. Okay, so now if I write something like H1, this is a heading tag, and write this is heading 1 and hit save, you will again see over here this is heading 1. You will notice here that the paragraph it wrote and the heading it wrote, it's different in size as well as the text boldness. Okay, so this is what the markup does over here. It basically makes the browser show you certain text in a certain way. Okay, so that's all about HTML. If you have any question regarding HTML or what is HTML and its uses, you can comment in the comment section. I'll answer each one of you. Now coming to CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Okay, CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Okay, so what it means is, as the name suggests, style. It basically gives style to your HTML file or basically HTML elements. Okay, I'll tell you what are tags, elements and attributes in my later video. Just for the name's sake, I'm using in this video, and I'll tell you what happens if you don't use CSS in your HTML file. Okay, so basically you have 3 ways to implement CSS in HTML file. Okay, I'll tell you how. First one is by using inline style. Second one is by using the style tag. Okay, it looks something like this. This is the style tag you see over here. By using this style tag. And the third one is by linking an external style sheet. I'll tell you each one of them how it is done, but this is not the video of teaching you CSS, how it is done and how it is linked. So for that, watch my later videos where I'll teach you CSS, then I'll explain it to you. Okay. Now to show you what CSS does, I'll first open a file which has a style sheet linked to it. This one, I'll just copy paste. And this is my portfolio website basically. So here you see I have a style sheet linked to it. This one. Okay, if I comment out this line and hit save, see how the page looks. So this is my basically portfolio website. So here you can see with no styles and nothing. Here I have used only HTML. You can see over here this text, this button, this picture, everything looks so messed up and so ugly. And if I just now uncomment this line, you see, and hit save, you will see this. This is my website, it's loading. So now see, this is how my website looks. It has changed so much by just using the style sheets. So this is how I give style to my website, like the picture's shape, this text animation, the color and font and everything is given just by using CSS style sheets. Okay, now coming to JavaScript. JavaScript is basically a client-side scripting language. Initially it supported only client-side, but today it can support server-side also, like with the help of Node.js. Now, what is scripting language? Scripting language is similar to any other programming languages like C, C++ or Java, but in JavaScript or in scripting language, you don't have to compile the code. Instead, it can execute its code without being compiled. Okay. So this is the difference. So what JavaScript does is it adds functionality to your website. You already saw an example of JavaScript in the starting of the video. I'll show it to you again. In this web page, you see what message I write over here. Suppose anything HH, and when I click submit, you see this dialog box pops up. This is done with the JavaScript. So here it gave a function or basically a functionality to this submit button with the help of which this pop-up box is showing. Understood? That was all about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you face any problem or have any doubt, just comment below and let me know. I'll reply to each one of you. And at the end of each video tutorial, I'll ask you small questions regarding whatever is taught in the video. Please give the answers in the comment section. I'll be happy to know if you are learning from my video tutorials. That's all for today. Hit the like button, subscribe, share among your friends. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.